we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is the contraction of the words did, which is the verb do at the past tense, and the word not. So this is equivalent to did not, as in he did not do it. How do you say it? Didn't. Didn't. Pretty straightforward once you know. Didn't, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.